Hi superstars, I'm so excited today. Guess what? My professional photo and video LED light kit just arrived. Ooh! I'm so happy my superstars because since I started this channel, I've had to sit down outside because of poor lighting inside to make my videos. So most times I stay on the corridor of my house for good lighting and all that. But I don't have to do that anymore. I can now make my videos inside with the help of my LED light. Okay, so I'm so happy. Today we'll be unboxing my LED light kit together. Let's see what's inside this LED box kit. Okay, my superstars, let's do this together. All right. So here's what it looks like inside. All right. Okay, so this is the main LED light itself. This is what it looks like. This is where the light shines from. Okay, and this is the back. It has two terminals for battery. So if there's no light, you can still use this. It comes with a battery. Here's what the battery looks like. It comes with two pairs of battery. Here's the battery, okay, and it has a charger, a battery charger. With this, here's the battery charger. Whenever you want to charge the battery, you connect it this way, slip it in, and voila, it's connected. With this, you can now, here's the plug. It has a plug here. You can now connect this to a power source and it charges. When it's plugged, you'll see a red light on it. It means it's charging. And when it's fully charged, the red light turns to green light. That means it's fully charged. You can then disconnect this one this way, pull it, and it comes out, and then charge the next battery. Okay, so it comes with a cord, a power cord. This power cord is for when you are connecting it directly to a power source. If you want to use it when there's light, all you have to do is connect this to the power source and then connect this to the LED light. And voila, there's light. Okay, all right. So this is how you connect the battery. If you want to turn on your LED light, this is how you connect your battery. It has a point with two heads right here. There's one head here and there's another head at this end. Okay, so here's what you do. You slip it right in. Now, and it's set. And then you slip in the next battery this way. It's well fixed now. Okay, so here's how you turn on your LED light. It has a switch right here. There's a switch, a power switch here. All you do is you press it and there is light. Look at that, so bright. Look at that, my superstars. It's so bright, my superstars. Okay, so if you don't need it anymore, you turn it off right here, and that's it. It's off now. Then you close the LED light head. All right, when you're done using the LED light, please don't leave the battery here. There's a button by the side here. You press the button and voila, the battery pops out. Press the next button by this side, the battery pops out. Voila, you keep it safe. Okay, when you have light, you can charge it and keep it for next use. Okay, my superstar. Okay, so the LED light comes with a stand. Here's the stand. Here's what it looks like. All right, okay, so when you want to use it, you can't hold the LED light and make your videos. It's not possible. Okay, so you need to attach it to this stand. Here's what the stand looks like. All you have to do is stretch the legs a bit, and then if this length is too short, you can actually make it longer. All you do is there's a knob here, you turn it gently and then you pull out lightly and it becomes longer. Okay, when it has stopped stretching, you tighten the knob right here. All right. Okay, so if you're not still okay with this length, it can still be much longer. There's a knob right here. All you do is lose it a little, turn it a little bit, and then pull. Turn it just a little bit and then pull. It comes out. Your LED light stand is much longer now. Then you turn it back to secure it. And that's my superstar. So now I'll be showing you how you can attach the LED light to the stand. It has a terminal right under here. All you have to do is place it on top and then turn it clockwise. Turn it clockwise, 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 till it's well secured. Okay, it's now secured. Then you open your LED light cover and then turn on your LED light. Voila, it's set for use. Okay, my superstars. All right, let's try this out. Yeah. All right, so with this now, I can make videos at any time. Before now, I was limited to making videos in broad daylight, so I could use the sun to my advantage, okay? But right now, I can make videos at any time, in the day, in the night, with the help of my LED light, okay? So with time, I'll find a good position that will give me good lighting and all that in my videos. I'm so excited. Oh, my superstars. From now henceforth, I'll be giving you good quality videos, okay, my superstars? So stay tuned to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.